Yo guys, welcome to another episode here in Jupiter VR, and today we are playing this new game my friend. Yo, it's Grape Juice VR. Well, we don't talk about that. So he's gonna give me a tour of this new game called Animal Company, I think, right?
I gotta change my color.
So he's gonna give me a full tour of this game. It's basically like the same. What the? Do they have holes for your yacht? Okay, see, like they have yachts in this game.
Also, if you like talk, you can't see yourself, but
What?
Here.
What?
Look at me. Here,
Yeah.
look at. Look at my face.
What? What does it do for me? Wait, is it doing it for me?
Yeah. All right.
So
you
I
ready?
can't see myself do it.
No, sadly, that would be really funny. Follow me. Okay, do you want to go forest or do you want to go cave? Let's go cave.
Yeah.
Also, by the way, if one of us die, on your arm right here, there's a walkie-talkie.
What? Actually? What's up,
Yeah.
brother? What's up,
Here,
brother?
here, stay there. Hello?
Hello.
Sick.
Oh, wait, that's actually cool.
Okay, guys, follow. Chop, boy.
It's hollow.
Don't mind that. That's something else.
Oh no, it's red.
We're fine. Don't worry.
Are we?
Yeah.
Chat.
Don't ever speak of that game ever again, or I will body slam you into a wall.
Yo, my fault, bro. My fault. Wah! I'm a squirrel. Oh, okay. What the? Get me out.
Ooh, flashlight.
Is there only one?
As you can see. Yup.
I'm staying with
boy.
you. Pookie, I'm staying with you.
Okay.
Do you know if there's any monsters down here?
You'll figure that out soon.
Okay, there probably is.
Yeah, there is. So I'm just gonna tell you now. Red light, green light.
I'm scared.
Alright. Stop moving. Yeah. Okay, move up, quick. Fine, go, come on. What the freak? Okay, go. Don't touch that, try not to touch that. Alright, guys.
I just like. How do we get
He
up?
starts killing you. I don't know. I haven't been this deep myself. I probably have actually.
What the?
Whatever you do, I would not go that way. So we're
What?
Sorry, they do that sometimes.
Oh no! Give me.
There's another one, by the way. Yo. Hey, look at this. Look at this.
What the? How?
A rocket.
Wait, where did you find that?
You can't leave up here, by the way. We might just have to die. I might be stuck up here.
Well, so if we die, we get back to spawn.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
How do I leave? I have a slight problem.
I think you're stuck over there, pal.
How do I manage to do this? Oh! The flashlight! No! Okay, so
I think we're cooked.
turns out I don't have a flashlight.
Oh, there it is. There's one.
Find me! Okay,
What the?
what?
Something
No.
killed. Something attacked. Okay, that's actually kind of dumb that you just slashed through me. That was kind of a bully thing to do. You can stay in there, right?
I'm gonna go kill myself.
Or
Let's go back to spawn. In there's just some monsters and stuff. There's a, like,
no.
there's like a mimic in there. Then there's a bomb.
Okay, hold up.
Yo, did you kill yourself?
No. Wait, does that red stuff kill you? Does the copy? Does the red stuff kill you?
Yeah.
Alright, can that send me back to spawn?
Yes.
Alright, wait, do I enter it then? Copy, do you read? What the? Oh. Oh, there you are.
Yo, did you die?
Yeah,
Alright, let's go, follow. Should we go forest, or where do you want to go now? Here, follow me down
I'm
here.
not going back to that cave. Off. No.
We're gonna save forest for last.
Why are we going into forest?
This is in forest. Normal forest is up there. This is, I will recommend do not touch the bombs, though.
Oh, the landmines, you mean?
Bombs, landmines, same thing.
Pretty much.
They both go boom boom.
Wow, I did not ask.
Alright, here we go. Move carefully among the mines. Don't want to touch them, otherwise that would kill us.
Or bet Pookie.
Don't call me that.
Yacht. Code repeat. I see a yacht right in front of me.
Ah, right here.
Banana.
No, we gotta go up here.
Good.
So there's up
What
here.
the-
There's this one. Yeah, it gets kind of black up here.
Whoa, buddy.
What? There's like.
No, I'm
that
keeping
red
my
light
toy
green light
banana
machine.
right by my side. Wait, what's this say? Is this another shop?
Move! Get back here!
What the? Code that chat. That's crazy.
Did you die?
Yeah. I want boom boom.
That's good. Alright, ready to.
What?
Are you ready to explore?
Explore the what? What did you say?
Are you ready to explore the forest?
Well, can you kill yourself first? I'm kind of scared.
come out of spawn, bro. You're fine.
Oh,
Look.
where are you? Oh, there you are. What's up,
Over
Pookie?
here. Okay. Follow. Again, don't call me that ever again, or I will.
Oh, my fault, bro. My fault.
I will stab you 20 times. Okay. Anyway, as I was saying,
Alright,
beware. There might be a couple monsters in here. We'll be fine.
Yeah, what
Just a couple.
what makes us, like, known to them? What makes them see us? Bro, the monsters just came and tried and kill me.
Did you die?
No. But I have the flashlight. Where are you? There you are.
Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Okay, just follow me, okay? Wait, come on. Stop! Don't move. I don't know how they sense us, or how they don't sense us. But what I do is just don't move.
Okay. Wait, follow me.
Stop that. Hello? Are you still alive?
Somehow. One just I have died. I died. They clapped my cheeks.
Okay.
Point where I can feel it in real life.
Come back to forest.
Yeah, I had the flashlight, buddy. I had the flashlight. Can we go?
Okay,
can we go up to
don't-
normal forest?
This is normal forest.
You said there.
This is normal. That's forest. This is the forest.
Well, let's explore forest, not the florist.
We just explored forest.
Did we?
Yes! That's where all the landmines were. Stupid. Okay, chop, boy.
Wait. I think they sense
Here,
us from
okay.
like light. They sense us from
We're
light.
just gonna have to sprint straight through here.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, move. Up here. Don't fall. Okay. Now, just go kill.
No! Fuck! I'm dead. I was like, where are you? Code red, I fell. You read me. Grape juice, did you read me?
I killed myself. Okay. Chop.
Okay, let's go, bro. Ah!
Okay, come on.
Boom, car!
Okay, again, we're just gonna have to sprint through here, okay?
Okay. Crap, my dad's here.
Okay. Slowly. Now, make this jump right here. You go first. Okay. Now go up here. Go up here.
What's over here?
Okay. See that chicken over there?
Yeah.
It gives you weapons. Go over there.
No, does it actually kill you?
No.
Okay, are you being honest?
Look, it's yeah. No, like go. You have to go touch it. Go tickle it. You'll be fine.
No.
Come on, see that?
I don't believe you.
Well, you should.
No, I'm out, chat. Wait, did he give you that thing?
Yeah.
Ow!
Yeah, he gave me this.
Ow, ow, ow.
If you want one, you have to go get it.
What the? No, no! What the? Code Red, you're a liar? You're a liar?
Code Red, it's running again, but I don't know what it's running. I'm scared.
It's probably running after you. It's probably running after you.
Code Red, come back to Forest and come back to the...
I forgot. But, what if I forgot where we're going? What if I forgot where we're going?
Then you're a stupid little monkey.
Well then it's accurate.
Bro, okay, fine, I'm...
Thank you guys for watching another video on Jupiter VR. And see you guys in the new year.